Hello everyone, welcome back with AutoCAD tips and tricks how to add a dimension into objects. For example, I have this simple objects, and if you want to add a dimension, you can tap dim, press enter, and then you can select the line objects. I will select this line, click, and move to the top. It will be automatically create a linear dimension. You also can create in it, click and move into here. It will be used about align dimension. How about angular dimension? You can select this line, click, select again this line, and it will be use angular dimension. But we can use a routed dimension, like I will click from this point to here. So it will be not exactly dimension that we want. And in here we can use dim rotate. You can tap dim rotate, press enter. Now for specify angle, I will click from this point into here. The next we can select for first dimension in here, the second line in here, and move into here. So after this case, we use dim rotate to create this dimension. In here you can use a dim command, tap dim, click in here. Okay, and also after this point, you can use a dim command. Okay, enough today for AutoCAD tips and tricks how to add a dimension into objects. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.